Hello, word study friends. We are going to take our test for sort I, number 40. Please make sure to go into your settings on your iPad and turn off your autocorrect, your auto capitalization, your spell check, and your predictive. If you need help doing this, please make sure to raise your hand and ask your teacher. We're going to begin with our word study test, number 1. Number 1 is back. The 5th graders wanted to go back to the old school to visit. Back. Number 2, bake. I love to bake Christmas cookies. Bake. Number 3, bike. The little girl rode her bike to the arcade. Bike. Number 4, pack. Please pack your stuff nicely at the end of the day. Pack. Number 5, wreck. Please do not wreck the decorations for the party. Wreck. Number 6, smoke. The smoke from the fire smelled like toasted marshmallows. Smoke. Number 7, brick. The brick wall was blocking our view of the road. Brick. Number 8, pick. Please pick out your favorite candy tonight. Pick. Number 9, look. Make sure you look both ways before crossing the street. Look. Number 10, think. Stop and think before you speak. Think. This concludes number 1 through 10 of the word study test. Please make sure that you fill out your discovery in number 11. And in the first 3 boxes at the top of your test, your first name, your last name, and your homeroom teacher. Once you are finished all of these, you may submit your test and see the wonderful grade you got.